It'll be view assignment. So you go in there, read the instruction inside the word splash, and then if you decide to do, it says here, you need to start with selecting a word or an image that you feel best represents Terry Fox. So if you decide to use a word, like for example, brave, then as I have already put here, and if you decide to use a word like brave, what you could do is go into the word splash here. So I'm going to click on the word splash. That is on the Jamboard. How do you know it's a Jamboard? Because of that icon. So go into the Jamboard and you click on Insert Word Art. So remember, I was saying I'm going to do a word like brave, but when you do it, you are not going to do the word brave again. Unless you change up the design. So here we go, brave. Now, this is too small because inside the word brave, you should be able to, there should be room to draw and write within each letter. You see? So we're going to be making this kind of like a graffiti style. Otherwise, if you use an image, you should make sure that there is room inside the images to add other images or text. Now, what are you going to fill in these? You're going to fill in information collected from the Terry Fox virtual classroom with other words or images relating to Terry Fox, along with color and detail that will make your assignment stand out. So I encourage you to have all the character traits that Terry Fox displayed in somewhere in your word splash. So the word that we can possibly use, I have given you the hints of the character traits he displayed. It's right here: honesty, perseverance, empathy, integrity, caring, courage, and so forth. Now, how do we make this artwork? We go into the word splash. Now, this is too small. So what you could do is you extend it, make it really big, and by actually going at the top arrow, you can turn it around. How did I do that? Go and make sure at the very top edge, make it a cross arrow, and then you can turn it around. This way, you have more space to spread it out and make it really cool. There, see? That takes the maximum amount of space. Now, using this, you can now try keep this as it is, and then you can try insert a background. So how can we insert a background? We could possibly do images from the web. See that? And I could look for maybe road or outdoors. Something like that. And maybe that. I'm just doing a rough try. There you go. So remember, we tried to order and then make sure you send it to the back. See how it stands out now? So then you move your image around just so that it covers the entire screen. So you see what I'm talking about? And then what you could possibly do is center it on page like that. Different options are there. And then even with this, you could maybe make it a little bit more bold, fill color, change up the colors like that. Because his colors are mostly red and black. So like that, you look up ideas. And what I'm trying to show is that there. So once you've done this, you can actually go in here, file, and you can download it as an image. Why I'm saying this, but PNG is a better format. Download it and see it downloaded onto my computer. So then you go back into Terry Fox Word Splash, and in the second slide, what you should do is go into the second slide and you can say insert image. Now remember, the picture that you downloaded came from your Jamboard, right? So that was in my download folder there, Word Splash. You open it and see it's over there. Now using this, you can now, because it's an image, it's now easier for you to insert text inside the word there. And remember, you have to reduce the font to something like 8. So have a try playing around with this. And perhaps it's a bad idea that I used a very strong background, because now it's going to be hard to read the text inside. But I've done this tutorial just to give an idea to you, but I'm pretty sure that you have better ideas than me. So give it a shot and let's see what we get for Monday. Thank you.